According to the Pew Research Center, as of 2021, 85% of Americans own a smartphone, and over 75% of US adults own a desktop or laptop computer. And with more employees working from home, there's an even greater reliance on a variety of electronics. That means that when something goes wrong, people want help fixing it as soon as possible. This makes electronics repair potentially a lucrative business idea. According to a 2022 report from the business research company, the global electronics repair and maintenance market is expected to grow from about $8 billion in 2021 to $9.6 billion in 2026. With this service, you could be the solution for every broken iPhone screen, Wi-Fi card and laptop battery. And you might be even more successful if you're willing to travel to your customer. Apple stores and other electronics retailers have come under fire recently for long customer wait times, which could work in favor of mobile providers. Although a mobile electronics repair business involves some overhead in the form of purchasing supplies, being mobile saves you from having to pay the costs associated with a physical location.